Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology easily. We'll start by building a solid foundation. Begin by understanding the fundamental concepts, such as microbial cell structure, metabolism, and genetics. This foundational knowledge is crucial for everything else. Next, focus on the major groups of microorganisms, learning their classifications and unique features. Don't forget to use visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts. They are incredibly helpful for visualizing complex processes and pathways, making them much easier to remember. Now, let's talk about active learning techniques that truly make a difference. First, make flashcards for key terms, specific microorganisms, and their associated diseases or mechanisms. This active recall method is highly effective. Second, try drawing concept maps. These visual tools help you see the relationships between different topics, like how a specific pathogen causes a particular disease. Finally, practice explaining concepts out loud to yourself or a study partner. This verbalization solidifies your understanding and highlights any areas needing more review. Developing effective study habits is essential for mastering microbiology. Start by breaking down large, overwhelming topics into smaller, more manageable chunks. This makes the material less daunting and easier to absorb. Consistent, regular review is also key. Don't wait until the last minute. Spaced repetition significantly improves long-term retention. Consider joining a study group as well. Discussing concepts with peers can provide new perspectives, clarify confusing points, and help you identify gaps in your own understanding, making your study time more productive. Finally, it's crucial to apply and continuously review your knowledge. Actively solve practice questions and work through case studies. This helps you understand how concepts are applied in real-world situations and prepares you for assessments. Try to relate microbiology concepts to actual health issues or environmental challenges. This makes the material more relevant and memorable. And remember, regular self-testing is your best friend. Consistently quiz yourself on key facts, biological processes, and clinical applications to ensure you truly understand and retain the information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.